Well, another customer has arrived for a map on his FN2 Civic. So we're going to stick it on the dyno, see what it makes in standard form, and then get cracking on the Ecutek software. Right, so Ecutek race from on, done a couple of pulls on our base map. Richard's busily tuning away, as you can see. Hello, Richard.
Hello.
How you doing?
Aching.
Aching, yep, okay, good. Well, it is midweek, so only a couple more days before you could not have a day off.
I've only got a week to go and I've got a week off.
Wow, holidays. I've not seen an email form request for that.
Oh, I definitely have. It's written in the diary.
I think that might have gone into spam.
Alright, to your spam folder.
There was definitely a week missing from the diary. I must have seen you write holiday and torn that straight out.
I think I eaten it. I think I wrote it in and then I eaten it.
You better bring me something back.
What? Like what? Sticker rock?
Syphilis.
Syphilis? Which one of the sexually transmitted diseases is the best?
Well, they're like Pokemon, aren't they? You try and collect them all.
Oh dear, okay.
Hello again.
Hello.
Hello again.
It's changed the position. It's like put the bonnet down again. He said he
I didn't like the lighting.
No, I didn't like the lighting.
No.
Getting well into this video editing stuff, isn't you? What are you doing there?
Just checking out the beard.
Oh, have a look, see if it's how you looked. Oh, well, it's Wednesday.
FN2, we've just mapped.
Yeah, second one of the day. Second one, but we could put the first one on till November, so this is the second one, but it might be the first one for the videos this week.
We're just confusing the timeline. It's like a Marvel film now.
Yeah, it is. We'll just mess around with the timeline and just generally mess around with you and then tell you that the first film wasn't actually the first film, it was the third film.
I prefer to go back to 1986 and rescue 2 humpback whales.
It's a Star Trek one, you won't know.
I think I might have seen that one.
It's a good movie, man.
Yeah.
It's a good movie.
Anyway, back to the FN2.
Talk about Wales, FN2.
Yeah.
I can say that because I've got one.
Yeah. So, in-gen induction kit, standard inlet manifold, 4-to-1 decat with we believe is a Jap Speed twin exit exhaust. Did great.
I hope so. It was flamed out of both ports.
Yeah, so we've got the flames doing well to get out of both sides, weren't they?
Yeah, on a single.
Yeah, so mapped up fine, came in at 208, which is great for one of these, leaving on 218, made, I think wheel horsepower went up by 18 brake horsepower, or 18.
There's a 35 brake horsepower gain in the mid-range, and that's where it counts.
Yeah, that's where it counts. It was about 18 in wheel horsepower, 10 in peak. So it was, nice. It will certainly drive better. Customer should be well happy, likes his pops and bangs. So
Just like his flames,
we'll
jumping about a bit.
Have a look at the graph and get him some paperwork done and get him on his way.
Yes, let's have a look at the graph.
Well, as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. And as you can see, gains right across the rev range. We've extended the rev range out to 8.6, lowered the VTEC to around 4-ish, and made some good gains in that mid-range there, which is where it counts. And looking good, and we finish on 218 and 188 at the wheels, that is. So there's another one in the bag. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And I'm a little bit behind with my YouTube videos, but I shall try and get this one out as soon as humanly possible. Where's our Richard gone? Hey Rich, see you on the next one.
We will indeed.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah.